ke NSS Unit ke Don Bosco College Byndihati, telai mi ke Khliehriat Civil Hospital kam cibenta ka Diwali with my Bharat. Yo pun seluruh henro kelot, pun yo ke yes nyango, ya ku ye sumar sukher. Yang ini adalah hepat ke metron, ke Bernita Sangma, wa Dr. STS Momin. Dekat thong wa pun seluruh ye lek khoi kam jo o kerchan jagi wukre ke hospital, kam kedak wa buram nyaki. Ki NSS volunteer na trong wa peman ye pengkhoi de yarap ki lek ye ke kujut wa citam, wa di yo ki lek oski, kabon kia kam ki wukre ni ke tau sumar. Di yo lat ki lek utip kaman kre kam ke hospital, wa di yarap ki lek wa pensing kam, de wa bot ya ki wukre. Niliang ke metron dong wa ini di yarap bahagoi wadang lai pure, Wapsaki kira khmat, yaus nyau tu ye kia kam, kiwa kre agi thau sumar.
Kita boleh menjuna staff yang mereka ini mengenal bahawa kita nak security morning, evening, night. Kamu ni don't back. Any time of the day, any time of the night, you don't back. Ma, dia bentar ada few watching the way, dia pernah berkeliling, dia tinggal. Benda mencual dan beliau, bonsi dia mengatakan dan beliau. Tamakin teng-teng, dia expect bahawa ini dan behak tu cakap ini nak baru tu. Nilai hari emergency room, nilai hari dressing room, nilai hari kategori, nilai hari store room, tentang ini happen all departments di happen ya situ.
An NSS volunteer with the NSS Unit of Don Bosco College Byndihati. I had the honors of participating in a hospital which is in Khliehriat Civil Hospital, Khliehriat, organized as a part of the Diwali with my Bharat initiative. These events, which celebrate the first anniversary of my Bharat portal, offer a unique opportunity for us to bring warmth and joy to patients during the Diwali season. This simultaneously given back to the community. Upon arriving at the hospital, we were welcomed by the hospital staff who provide us guidance or interacting with patients and ensuring that we adhere to hospital protocols. As volunteers, our tasks range for helping patients with basic needs to simple spending with them, listening to their story and brightening their day. Many patients, especially their elders, share the experience with us, and in return, we share moments of encouragement and festive cheers. One of the most touching aspects was the genuine gratitude expressed by the patients and their families. It reminds us the small impact of kindness, especially in a place where patients may often feel isolation and anxious. Our interactions were accompanied by Diwali spirit of positivity and resilience, aiming to bring comfort to those who might not be able to celebrate at home. Working alongside fellow NSS volunteers, we experienced firsthand the value of empathy, patience, and selfless service, core tenets of NSS missions. Our hospital volunteering experiences reaffirmed the spirit of unity and compassion, and it highlighted the significance of being present for those in need, especially during festive season.
Ini lihatnya video kok gini kenapa? Phải korom.
Tu sa ako